All right, good morning, everybody. Well, it's Sunday. I just dropped the girls off to the church. I thought I'd come over here and take a look, and I took a pre-look. Lots done again. Just amazing what gets done from Wednesday to Sunday. Just amazing. I'll take a walk through the house here in a minute. I'm going to go drone. We'll drone the see if I can get close to the gutters. May not be too bad, but we'll take a look real quick. Let's go take a look and see what we can see, huh? All right, so let's go take a look and see what we got today. Like I said, I did a little pre-walk already, and there's a lot done again. The doors in for the bedroom. They got the back wall up for the dining room. I mean the dining room, the living room. So the living room's taking all kind of shape now. You can see the bedroom. They got the doorway put in already. The hallway already shaping up. Nice. We got our big window on this side set up. They got the cross beams already going up for that. On this side, they got them all up there. The cross beams are being put up for the window on this side. So you can see how nice and big the windows are going to be in the living room. Again, there's the door to our bedroom. So we're gonna have some nice windows and sunlight in the living room. And then Eliza's room shaping up. Then we got a little bit left over on that wall. The far wall's already done, all the way up to the top. So her room's just about done. I guess they got the beams all done up here for the back bedroom. So I'm assuming that'll be next. All right, and remember last Wednesday we were here. We had a big hole and there was a big mound of dirt. Well, they leveled it all out, pushed it around, and now you can really see the back here. You know, really how much room we're gonna have back here too. So it's really nice. Yep. They got the dirt put in the section there for the kitchen. They got the beams up there. Had to take a flyover of the gutter. So really a lot done again. Looks like this side here is the only side that doesn't have like a whole bunch of dirt in it. But man, house is really shaping up. Really shaping up. Let's take a, see if we can get in there, huh? We'll take a quick look. Yeah. Let's see. I cannot kill myself. Yeah, this will be, that there's the wall for the dining area. I have a table there. And then probably from about, these barrels somewhere in here, right? And you go all that way with the kitchen. I would assume these two columns here are for the CR. And you got the back bedroom, Eliza's room. Right. Kind of walk down the hallway just a little bit here, come around this corner, and then you're in the living room. That nice big window there, and a super big one there. All right. Here's our door into our master bedroom. So they got all of that finished up all the way. Nice. And we'll have our big window in our bedroom. So that's gonna be really cool. Walk out here through our bedroom, come into the living room. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Just awesome. They got all the beams going up there. Yeah, man. Very nice. So, very nice. Oh, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Yeah. I mean, just since Wednesday, they got all of this work done. You know? I mean, that's a lot of work. Just a very few days. They will have a, back here in the kitchen area, we'll have a door that comes out here. It'll be right in here, I think. So you better walk out the back kitchen, come into the backyard here, and they're going to, off of this kitchen area, right off of this here, back here, they're going to build us a little dirty kitchen. My plan is, if I can, which I think I'm sure I can, is in this area, all through here. I'm going to put a cement concrete slab there, and then get some kind of awning covering up at the top there, and put out some patio furniture there, so we can eat out in the back once she gets done cooking in the dirty kitchen. And then probably from about there all the way down this wall, and at least halfway, I'm going to build planter boxes for the garden back here. The garden will be back here. We're going to plant some vegetables and stuff like that, so we can have our own stuff here. And we're still going to have all of this space back here. The dogs are going to be super happy. All right. So, and then down here, we still got, when the porch comes out, the porch will take up a little bit of this space here, right? Because it comes around the corner, and then you can walk down. It has steps coming down here. I think it almost goes to Eliza's bedroom from the living room. It might end at the living room or Eliza's bedroom, I can't remember. But then you better come down the steps from the porch around the front down this way. So I'll have all of this in here, back to here. Then I'm going to put a cement walkway through here, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And then along the walls here, I'm going to make some planters, and we'll have some plants along these walls here. And then up there in the front, my plan is about in the middle of the wall there. I'm going to lay a big concrete slab, and I kind of hope to make it a semicircle. And in the middle of the semicircle, I think I'm going to put a fire pit, and that's where we're going to have the big umbrella that we bought there and at Jenny Grace, and that outdoor furniture. And then we'll have that set up there. And then the wife wants plants all along that wall, right? And we'll probably put some plants over in there, that wall there. And we'll do some plants here. And then from the entranceway here up to the porch, I'm gonna put mixed stepping stones. Either I'll buy them or I'll make them. I'm not sure which one yet. But we'll have that going up to the front porch there. And again, like I said, Mom Karen's was super nice to us. And from the gate to the carport area over there, she's gonna cement that for us. So that's super, super great. Again, with the fill being here, you can kind of take a look and I'll show you. So like I said, with the fill here, you can see that when I'm standing here next to the wall, that, you know, my shoulder's way above the wall now. So we'll have a really nice view and look out through there, and a nice breeze coming through. It'll be able to come through easily. But yeah, you know, every time I think I can't be impressed more by by KR Construction, they end up impressing me more every time. I'm like, oh well, they can't, since Wednesday they can't get that much done, but they sure did. All right, well, hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Maybe we'll do 2 updates next week too. We'll see. Not sure what the wife has in store, but yeah, thanks again. We'll see you guys next time.